Hello, my dear students. Now we're gonna speak about Module 3, Lesson E. Teen problems. At this time of your age, you will have so many problems with your colleagues, with your friends. Let's start with the conversation between these boys, and we can explain what are the problems. Okay, for this one, I feel down. So you have to know the meaning of feel down by continuing reading the following lines. My brother has got lots of really nice, trendy clothes. I admire his clothes, but he won't let me borrow. So his problem about borrowing his clothes. Then anymore, I don't get it. What should I do? So for asking for advice, I could say, what should I do? But when I want to give advice for someone, what should I do? This is what we are going to listen. Good. So his friend replies to his asking for advice by giving an advice. When you give advice, you should start your dialogue, start your conversation with a welcome sentence, okay, to try to make him cool, to calm down. Or I can say, cheer up, don't be sad anymore. Your things are fine, you don't have to borrow. So the problem is you don't have to borrow. You shouldn't borrow. He's all the time. So the next. Okay, before we listen to the advice, what is the problem with this one? Number two, we have moved to a new house, and of course, my older brother got a big bedroom, so he feels frustrated. Why? He feels disappointed. He feels that he is not satisfied anymore with this situation because his room is too small. Okay, what was the advice given to him? Let's continue. Okay, so his friend advises him beginning with I think. So when I want to say something in my opinion, I should say I think. And he add you should. So when you wanted to give advice for someone, you have to say you should or you shouldn't. Okay, just we told you before, you can use you don't have to. Okay, but at the same time you have to be much calmer. Okay, the next one related to the grammar. Very good. So, what is the next question? The next exercise is relating to the understanding how far do you get the meaning of the last vocabulary. So, look at the phrases A from 1 from 4 below, which appear in the bubbles above the dialogue before. Above the match, then with their meaning A from D. We have to match these phrases with the same meaning on the other side. Number one, I feel down. Which one is referring to the same meaning? Which one is equal the same meaning? Okay, so I feel down, it means, yeah, very good. I feel down, it means I'm sad. Number two, I don't get it. I don't get it means I cannot understand what are you saying. So I don't get it means I don't understand. Number three, calm down. When you want to advise someone, first of all, you should tell him that you have to calm down. Calm down, it means to relax. Very good. Cheer up, cheer up, it means try to be smiley all the time, don't be sad anymore. So cheer up, it means become happier. Very good. So the next exercise is relating to the grammar. What is the grammar of today? The grammar is concerning with the possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. All of you know what are the possessive adjectives mean. I can say it's my book, this is your car, okay, it's his pencil. All of these we call them possessive adjectives. What about possessive pronouns? Possessive pronouns comes at the end of a sentence and they are not followed by a name or by a noun, okay? I can say it's mine. I can say it's mine. Okay, I can point to any object and say it's mine or it's yours or it's his or it's hers and stop. Okay, the next step, how could we ask for the possession? We can ask by using the question word whose. For example, whose car is this? Whose car is this? To whom this car belongs to. Okay, so when I want to answer the question, I could have three choices from here. We can use singular nouns or regular plural nouns or irregular plural nouns. What the difference between singular and the plural? Singular would just put apostrophe s at the end of a noun. The boy's name is Salah, so we have to put apostrophe s after the singular noun. For the regular plural noun, we put s for the plural. And how to put apostrophe s? The apostrophe, we don't add apostrophe s like here, but we put just the apostrophe only at the end of the plural noun, because it already ends with s. But what about this one? This noun is a regular plural noun. It doesn't end with s, so you have to put apostrophe s at the end of the noun. And now let's have a look for this exercise. Okay, first one, my grandparents house is on Lomeli Road. So this is of course a singular or plural. Do you think my grandparent? So my grandparents, of course, they are living together, so it refers to a plural noun, this one or that one, so we have to use that one. Number two, my or mine trainers. I can't use mine because it's not the end of the sentence. I have to use my trainers. Very good. B, these trainers are for children. The men's trainers are over there. So this is a regular plural noun. Okay, so we have to put apostrophe s. Number three, my best friend's cat is called. So cat is singular, refers to singular. Okay, so my best friend's cat, so I have to use the singular noun. Her or hers tail, of course her tail, because hers comes at the end of a sentence. Number four, whose or whose bikes are these? Can we borrow them for a while? So we ask for the possession by using the first one, whose. They aren't. Look here, this is the end of a sentence. We have to use ours, not our, just ours. Ask those boys. I think the bikes are, this is the end of a sentence, is not followed by a noun, so we have to use theirs. Thank you, my dear students.